Hey everybody, welcome to another DePaul Equipment Center tutorial video. My name is Justin Jones, and this is the FS5 documentary package, which comes in a Cinebag and is composed of exterior and interior components. Let's take a look. Alright, so in this top pocket here we have the battery charger, as well as the cable, and the AC adapter for the camera. Remember, always be charging. In the side pocket, we have two batteries up here. And there's one in the lower pocket. In the other side pocket, there is the Zacuto shoulder mount rig and two 15mm rods, which go in here. In the front pocket, there's a list of all of the interior and exterior components, as well as the instruction manual. All right, let's open this bad boy up. All right, so here we have the interior components of the FS5 documentary kit. There are 4 compartments on the inside. And here is the FS5 camera with the Zacuto top plate and base plate. Here's the Canon 24-105 stabilized lens with hood. Here is the Sony viewfinder and Zacuto eyepiece. And here we have the top handle as well as the Sony hand grip and Zacuto extension arm. In these small pockets over here, we have the card reader as well as the cable to connect the hand grip to the camera body. And that's that. Now next we'll take a look at build. Alright, so let's take a look at how to build the Sony FS5 documentary kit with the Zacuto shoulder rig. Now I've mounted the DV10 plate to the shoulder rig right here, and that clicks into place like so. Make sure that's nice and snug. The camera should have a Zacuto base plate already on it, and that slides in here, and you can tighten it right here. And then we'll go ahead and put the top handle on. That screws in. And the Zacuto eyepiece. The eyepiece slides into this rod right here on the top plate and tightens with this knob right here. This cable, you can clip in and keep out of the way right here. And then listen for the soft click. Make sure that the arrow is facing outward. All right, that's connected. And then we'll put the handle grip on with this Zacuto extension arm. That goes on the 15mm rod right there. Tighten that. This can be adjusted to your liking with this knob right here. And then be sure to connect the handle grip to the body with this eighth inch cable, which connects to this port right here that says remote. And then I recommend keeping that up out of the way by looping it through the mic clip on top. And we'll put the lens on. That mounts to a Metabone's speed booster adapter. Put the battery in, pins facing down. Slide that into place. Listen for the click. And now this camera is built and ready to go. Power it on. And if you'd like to go handheld, remove the whole rig from the tripod and hold it on your shoulder like so, zooming with your left hand and focusing with your left hand. All right, so if you don't want to use the Zacuto arm, you can also simply place the hand grip on the body itself. And to do that, disconnect cable right here, unscrew the hand grip from the arm, slide that out. And Zacuto has a small rosette in here, which you'll want to use a small screwdriver, Phillips, to remove. And there are 4 small screws, so be careful not to lose them. So now you've removed the Zacuto rosette. It's ready to be attached to the camera body. Insert the cable to the remote right there, and then connect it, white dot to the white dot, and twist backwards until you hear a click. Now your hand grip is connected to the camera body itself. All right, so if you're using a heavier lens, such as the 70-200 f2.8, be sure to support the lens. That can be done by using this rail support right here, and that slides in like so. Tighten it. Swap your lens, which you do by yourself. And support that bad boy. All right, that's a wrap on the FS5 documentary kit video tutorial. Please remember to like and subscribe to all of our stuff. And remember, when checking out this kit, you need to schedule a time to both train and be certified, so be sure to do that. And when returning the components back to the backpack, be sure to put everything back the way you found it. If you're unsure where something goes, the visual guide is in the front pocket here. Thanks, have a nice day.